Let's look at some of the Target deals starting September 8th through September 14th. There's definitely some clearance that we'll take a look at. There's buy 3, get a $10 gift card on household items. And there's also a buy 4, get a $5 gift card on personal items that we'll take a look at. The Neutrogena makeup wipes, they're $4.99. And there's 2 packages. They come in unscented and scented. Personally, I like the scented kind, but a lot of folks need to use the unscented if they have sensitive skin. But both of them are $4.99. And then if you scan it in the Target app, you'll see it's attaching to a $2 manufacturer coupon. And this brings it down to only $2.99. And make sure you check your Target wallet. I had a save 20 off a $120 purchase of grocery, beauty, and cleaning items. This is one of my favorite Pantene products, the Botanicals. They're $8.99. There's buy one, get one 25% off, but I only grabbed one. There's a $3 digital coupon within the app, bringing it down to $5.99. Again, this is my favorite. I grabbed the pink one. That's for moisturizing your hair. So Pilot makes these new refillable dry erase markers for $5.89. There was a $1.25 Peely on there and then a $1.25 back on Ibotta. You can buy the pack of black, blue, and red or a pack of just black. After Ibotta and the Peely, it makes it $4.39. I did have trouble with the Peely at the self-checkout, but the cashier came over and manually put the coupon in for me. So this is the first item I picked up towards the buy 4, get a $5 gift card on personal items. I got the Dove body wash. I actually got the sensitive one. It's $9.99. There's a $3 digital coupon within the app that you've got to clip, bringing it down to $6.99. The next item that I picked was the Secret Outlast deodorant. This is a personal product that I use. It's $5.99. There's a $1 digital coupon within the app, bringing it down to $4.99. So this is the second item of the gift card deal. And the third item I got was the Old Spice deodorant twin pack. So there's 2 deodorants in this package. It's for $7.99. And there's a $2 digital coupon that you can clip within the app, bringing it down to $5.99. So it's about $3 each deodorant. And the last item I'm going to get is the Harry's deodorant. It's $5.49. There's no coupons, but this is another staple in my household, so I thought I'd grab it to stay within this deal. So all 4 items were around $23. I got the $5 gift card back, so I ended up costing me about $18 for all those items after the promotional gift card. This is one way that you can use the promotion buy 3, get a $10 gift card. If you get the light downy scent beads, they're $15.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, bringing it down to $13.99. And just make sure you scan the product. The $2 digital coupon definitely attaches to a few different ones. The second item is this 3-foot Swiffer duster for $9.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, bringing it down to $7.99. There's also a 6-foot for $14.99, and that has a $5 digital coupon, bringing that down to $9.99. Pick the one that works better for you. And this is the third item to get the $10 gift card, the Downy dryer sheets. It's a double pack. This is one of my favorite scents, the Downy Calm. They're $9.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, bringing it down to $7.99. So if your Target sells alcohol, this Sky Vodka has some rebates back on Ibotta and Fetch. If you buy one of the larger bottles and one of the smaller bottles, that's $36.98. You can get $3 back on each bottle on Ibotta, plus a $4 bonus equaling $10 back on Ibotta. And then on Fetch, if you spend $30, you can get $6 back, leaving it to be $20.98. So it's like buying the larger bottle and getting the smaller bottle for free. And I love all the choices for non-alcoholic drinks. I was looking for the Kin Euphoric cans. You can buy 2 and get $2 back with a rebate through the app. They're $3.99 each, but my store only sold the 4-packs. Then I wanted to show you that Target has marked down a lot of their school supplies or whatever's left from 30 to 70% off. And look, there's a lot of notebooks, there's file folders and journals, a lot to pick from here. You got to kind of dig through. And some of these might have Ibotta rebates on it, but as you can tell, they're making way for the Halloween costumes that are coming in. But here's some fans and lights for the dorm room and some file folders, and even the carpets are marked down, which I actually just bought one of those for my son's dorm room. But look at all these nice little pencil holders, a lot of different colors. So just kind of dig through the clearance. There might be something that you forgot to get for school and need to pick it up, and you can get a great deal on it, or grab some stuff for next year. Then on an end cap, they had these cute little kitchen utensil sets that were only $6 with the rubber spatulas and the little whisk. And these outdoor doormats were only $9.10. This one's Sun's Out, Buns Out. And then this one is Be Kind, same, $9.10. There was a lot of sheets and blanket sets for $17, 30% off, plus a markdown clearance price on top of that. And they had a lot of colors to choose from. These are like the sweater set material. There was a lot of pillows as well. And these comforters were only $17. Some of them were queen size, twin size. Thanks for watching my video. If you made it this far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you got some ideas to save some money on everyday items. Grab some of that clearance, and happy shopping. Thank you.